Hi, this is Sarah from the customer success team at Callbridge.com. This video is just a quick tutorial showing you how to start an online meeting. So as the moderator, just make sure that you're logged into your account and then just hit login. So once you're logged into your account, to get started with a call, just hit start and then choose to join via internet. And when you're joining for the first time, you'll get this request to ask you, just make sure you hit allow to allow access to your microphone.
You will now enter the conference.
And as the first caller, you'll hear hold music, just like when you call via phone. And then as other people join, you'll see their tile appear with their name. If people join via phone, you're going to see the beginning of their phone number, and you notice the hold music stops. So that is how you join. Real quick, if you would like to turn on video, hit the video icon at the top and just make sure you allow again access to that. And you can also share your screen. When you do that for the first time, you'll be asked to install this extension. Just click Add Extension, takes a few moments, and you can get started already. So you can just share your whole screen, or you can pick an application. Really quickly on the right hand, so if you click on chat, that's going to open up a chat box, and you can also see a participant list. You've got moderator controls here. This doesn't appear for participants. You can mute everybody.
Q&A mode on. Participants may now unmute themselves.
You can invite someone to your meeting and send them an invite. And by clicking on the record button here, you can also choose to record just the audio or your entire online meeting, including screen sharing and video. And you can also mute your own line here like this. And then you've got the option either with using these tiles or here via the participant list on the right, you can make someone a moderator. You can mute or unmute their line. And that's essentially it. When you're done with your call, click on Hang Up. To disconnect everyone in the meeting, hit End Conference. If you'd like to leave the others to continue talking, just click Exit Conference.